Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to fix call field on iPhone. To do it so, you have to follow the steps. So first of all, what you could do is, here, you could actually go ahead and open up your mobile device and swipe down from the upper right corner of your iPhone or up from the bottom of the screen with the home button to access the control center. Then you want to simply tap the airplane mode icon. In order to enable flight mode, you could wait for a couple of seconds while it is enabled, and once again disable it and see whether that will be able to solve your issue or not. Likewise, the other thing you could also do is try restarting your iPhone to clear minor software bugs. In order to restart, you want to hold on to your side buttons, and that's going to help you out to restart it. If the restart doesn't fix as well, what you would do is, here you want to open up your settings, scroll down and go to the app section. As you go to the app section, you want to go to the phone section here, and then you want to go ahead and click on block contacts. So if you're unable to call a specific person, then you might have blocked a particular contact, so you want to go to the blocked contact section and check whether they have been blocked or not. The other thing you could also try doing is that removing and reinserting your SIM card. You just have to make sure to insert in a paper clip, and then you want to pull out the SIM tray and make sure that the SIM is placed in a correct position as well, and you could try inserting and removing as well and see that fixes your issue or not. So these are a couple of things you could try, or else you could also try resetting your iPhone network or resetting your iPhone as well. For that, you actually want to go to the general section. From the settings, go to the reset option here and click on reset. Now this is going to delete some of your information, so be sure about it. And this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.